Is your hair always frizzy, hard to manage no matter what you try? Then this video is for you. Today we're breaking down everything about keratin treatment. What it is, how it works, whether you can do it at home, and so much more. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into it. Keratin is a protein that naturally exists in your hair. In fact, it's the same protein that makes up your nails and skin. Over time, heat styling, chemical treatments, and pollution break down this keratin layer. That's why hair becomes frizzy, rough, and dull. A keratin treatment works by adding keratin protein back from the outside, sealing it into the hair shaft so your hair becomes smoother, shinier, and stronger. There are a few different types of keratin treatments, and it's important to know the difference. 1. Brazilian keratin treatment, the most popular option. Results last 3 to 5 months. Some versions contain formaldehyde. We'll talk about why that matters in a second. 2. Soft express keratin, a milder treatment that lasts around 4 to 6 weeks. Great for sensitive or fine hair types. 3. Natural, organic keratin, low chemical, formaldehyde-free formula. Results are slower, but it's a much safer option. 4. Nanokeratin, uses nanotechnology to penetrate deep into the hair shaft, longest lasting, but also the most expensive. Let's walk through exactly what happens during a keratin treatment. Step 1. Hair wash. Your hair is washed with a clarifying shampoo to remove all oils, product buildup, and residue. Step 2. Apply keratin. The keratin solution is applied section by section throughout the hair and left to absorb for 20 to 30 minutes. Step 3. Blow dry. The hair is blow dried to begin sealing in the keratin. Step 4. Flat iron. A flat iron at high heat 200 Celsius to 300 C is passed through the hair. This is the key step. The heat locks the keratin directly into the hair shaft. Step 5. Final wash. After 48 hours, you wash your hair. And during those 48 hours, do not get your hair wet. Tie it up, tuck it behind your ears, or let it crease in any way. To make your results last as long as possible, Aftercare is everything. Use a sulphate-free shampoo. Sulfates strip keratin fast. Avoid chlorine water. Be careful at the pool. Always use a heat protectant when styling. Do a deep conditioning mask once a week. Avoid salt water if you go to the beach. Wash your hair right after. Avoid tight hairstyles for the first 2 weeks. Let us be honest about the pros and cons. Pros: reduces frizz by up to 95%, cuts down drying time significantly, hair becomes smooth, manageable, and shiny, safe for color-treated hair. Cons: can be expensive. Salon treatments range from $80 to $300 plus. Formaldehyde risk and cheaper. Treatments can loosen natural curls. Important to know if you love your curl pattern. Needs regular maintenance to keep up results, so before you book that keratin appointment, think about your hair type, your budget, and your lifestyle. It might be the best thing you've ever done for your hair. Or there might be a better option for you. I'll be bringing you a full at-home keratin tutorial next, so make sure you subscribed and have the bell turned on so you don't miss it. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with a friend who needs it. See you in the next one.